Okay, uh, very good morning. It's Vikram Sareen here, and we are going to have a quick demonstration on the signature one-time password with acknowledgement code. So first thing what we're going to look into is the user token association. That means what token is assigned to which user. Then after that, we're going to get into the open session. That's basically the API which will give you the unique session ID that is used across for the sessions for the user to connect in, basically the system to connect in. Yeah, and then after that we will have the send signature one-time password, which will also give back the acknowledgement code that can be shown onto the web screen or the mobile app screen. And then next one will be the verify. That means the one-time password or signature one-time password that's generated using the send API that will be getting verified. Yeah, and then we'll call the close. Okay, so let me quickly get started. Okay, so over here I have already logged into the dashboard and I have just done a quick search on this user. So let me just do it again. Okay, yeah, so that's the user I have, and I'm just checking at the one-time password token status. So as you could see that this particular user, I have the okay, that's the email ID for convenience I've just put in here, and then the two tokens which are assigned. So over here we could have a few other options of out-of-band token, SMS, voice, USSD, and email. For simplicity we have just kept email, and then also this user has a mobile token assigned. Yeah. So now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to start off with the first API over here, which is basically the open session API. So in the open session API I need a few credentials. So let me just open this one. Yeah, over here. So let's just go ahead and then okay, yeah, that's the new session ID which I have got. Now this session ID is what I'm going to use in the send OTP or signature OTP, and then over here I have put the user ID. So that's the same user ID that I have over here. So that means that the user ID is crucial when you want to send the one-time password or do the user validation, OTP validation. So that's the source account, destination account, and then the data. So data, let's say I'm paying $1,000 from my account 1212, and then I'm giving it for destination to, let's say, 9999. Yeah, so again let me run it. Now as you would see is that I have got success, and then I have got the acknowledgement code. So what has happened is that as I was assigned with the email token, so I'm going to quickly check my email. Yeah, I've already got an OTP, signature OTP, and the acknowledgement code. So acknowledgement code over here and as what you would see over here are matching. Yeah, BYU16, and the same one is over here, and then this is the one-time password. So let me just go in. So firstly I need to keep the same session ID, then I'm going to have the same source of data. So I'll basically copy the same one from here, and then I'm going to have the OTP. So sorry, the OTP is okay, one second. Yeah, so okay, I've got the OTP, SOTP basically, and then this is the acknowledgement code. Sorry. Oh, sorry, yeah, send OTP. So this is the acknowledgement code which I've got. So from the user perspective, he'll be getting it into the SMS or the email. So I'm putting it over here. Now I'll do a run. So the session ID is correct, user is correct, type is 3. 3 is for out-of-band token, 1 is for software mobile, and 2 is for hardware. And then the data, and then the SOTP and the acknowledgement code. Okay, so let me do one thing. Let me put a wrong acknowledgement code. Yeah, it will fail. Sorry, the net is a bit slow. Okay, I think it's really slow now. Can you check if it's working? Net is slow. Awesome. Okay, okay. Anyways, I think the net is slow. I can't really do much. Nope. Ask people not to use, right? Okay, I'm trying again. Sadly, the net is slow. Nope. Okay. I think I'll just do a part 2 when it works. That will basically be showcasing that this is success or failure. Yeah. Thanks. Apologies for this little bit slowness on the internet.